Hey guys, so last month I uploaded a Canon 4K test footage video, and if you haven't seen it already then the link is in the description below. This time I recorded in 1080p at 60 frames per second, so some of the footage is slowed down and some of it isn't. But you'll see it for yourself, so check it out. So yeah, that was a footage recorded in 1080p at 60 frames per second on the Canon M50. I absolutely love this camera. I think the quality is just so amazing. I will be doing a full review of it though in the coming weeks, so stay tuned. Anyway, that was the footage. Comment below what you thought. Subscribe if you want to see more from me, and yeah, peace.